Hi there, this is Kira Leslie with Debunking Addiction for HealthyPlace.com. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about taking inventories in recovery from addiction and alcoholism. So, 12-step programs have the famous fourth step inventory, which can be a rather long um, process, a long practice. It doesn't have to be, it depends on the person, the situation. But that's not the exact type of inventory I want to talk about today. I'm talking more about the day to day things where a situation arises, something happens in your life that is irritating you, something that you're stuck on. Well, I've found taking inventories to be an incredibly helpful tool in addiction recovery. The spot check inventory is basically you're going throughout your day and either a situation arises, or maybe it's been something that's been going on for a long time and you think, this isn't going away, it's still bothering me, I'm still paying attention to it, I need to figure out what's going on. So basically, you write out what the situation is, or if writing isn't your strong suit and you don't like writing, maybe you can go through this process mentally or just say it out loud, either with someone that you trust or maybe just by yourself if that's what works best for you. It's really about clarifying your thoughts and what's going on with you. So you say, what's the situation that's bothering me? What in my life is it affecting? In other words, why is it bothering me? And then what is my part and what can I do about it? And so that's the way that I like to do them. Not everyone does it exactly the same way. Um, as far as the what is my part situation, it's not always that you have a part in the situation that's causing you a problem, but sometimes the only thing that you have a part in is your response to it. But what I found through doing these throughout the last 8 years is that I have a lot of fear and I have a lot of desire to control outcomes in life. And so I keep finding that those things pop up over and over again. So I've really learned a lot about myself that way and learned that those are things that I need to work on, is letting go of trying to control outcomes and trying to do something about the fear that comes up throughout my life. But what I really love about inventories is not only do they help you with personal growth, but they also are really just empowering. It makes you feel like if you have a situation or an obsession or a resentment or something that you just can't get rid of, it helps you figure out a way that you can have a different reaction to it at the very least. Um, and that's a really, really powerful tool.